Mr. Sunil Mehta. He's the chairman of the PSB Alliance, which comprises of 12 public sector banks, a banker for the last 40 years. Mr. Mehta, 22 years from now, what will be the regulatory as well as technological landscape in which most PSU banks will operate?
I think you pretty well know that banking sector has seen a transformation from a brick and mortar manual system to first computerization, then for core banking, and for core banking, now the stage has come for a digital banking, and the payment space is almost reached to a level where we can claim that yes, most of our payment transactions can be handled digitally, and that gives a lot of comfort, maybe in terms of our number of transactions happening on a digital mode. We are leading the world. The UPI solutions that has been brought in by the entire financial infrastructure, that is bringing a lot of value for the last mile, but this is just the beginning. To go to the 2047, that's 100 years from the independence, Viksit Bharat. So Viksit Bharat, maybe in numerical terms you can say it's a $10 trillion economy, and then inclusive growth for all the individuals. But it requires a lot of transformation within the banking industry. The way, one thing I must admit, that banking sector has been very agile, has been adopting these changes, and that's why that public sector banks are now working with their fintechs, working with their peer group in private sector, and providing all digital solutions in most of these spaces. But the payment space, which has already been digitalized, now as our previous speaker has so, there the scope is in going in volumes, like going to the semi-urban and rural areas and covering from 400 million to say another 400 million and 800 million. But now the lending space need to be digitalized, and that is one area which needs a lot of transformation.